So for this assignment, I decided that I would be playing the game Pac-Man. In the discussion post, I had played this game, so I was like, let me just kind of talk about like my experience like playing the game. I'm actually gonna try pulling it if it loads right now. But so regarding the graphics, I would say, the graphics are pretty like standard. I guess I can see like why so many people when they started playing the games they thought like, whoa, like this is like a pretty cool game because the graphics are they can them change, the character moving around. I actually like, the oops. I actually like how the characters they have their own, I guess, personalities per se. Like I'm not really sure what like each specific one's personality is, but I read somewhere that they do have their own like character traits. And I think this is a pretty nice game to kind of, just kind of relax. And the scenery of it is not, I think it's pretty good considering, like, it's not really like changing levels. It's kind of more, you just play over the same maze over and over again. Compared to the Miss Pac-Man game that I played, I think the Miss Pac-Man is pretty cool in that the maze actually changes colors and stuff, but this Mr. Pac-Man, he doesn't really change colors or anything. Scoring in the game is pretty easy. All you have to do is just make sure that you get the little, what do you call it, like yellow pill thingies and stuff. I'm not really good at the game. But making sure that you get that, and then also you can score by getting some more of the fruits, and then you can even earn some more points when you like get like the other character, like the little ghosts, like when they turn blue, like just right now, like how they're turning blue. You can gain some more points by doing that too. I think up there it says that the high score would be 10,000, so I'm guessing that would be like the score accumulates as like you go through like the quote unquote like the levels. I'm not really a gamer, but I would say that it's still a pretty good game, like that anybody can play. It's in the 21st century, like you could still play the game and have a lot of fun, like just enjoying it, especially the fact that if you enjoy like the chase of the game, it's pretty different. And I would compare it to, probably because I'm playing it, on a computer, but I would compare it to like some of like the maze games that they have on Cool Math where you have to try to go obviously like through the maze. Oh shoot. You have to try to go through the maze and get through. So I think I would compare it or like have a pretty similar connection to those games. And I lost, but yeah, that would be my commentary on the game of Pac-Man.